In this video, I'm going to explain how you can lower fees on Wells Fargo. So first you want to search for this, minimize account fees Wells Fargo. Click on this first link and it will take you to this article. So if we read through this is the most important part. If you want to minimize fees, depending on your account, on the type of account that you have, you will either have to maintain a daily minimum account balance or set up a direct deposit of your paycheck or other income. So after we have read through this, then what we have to do is check which account type we have. So if you go through the official Wells Fargo website, you can select the account type that you have, and at the bottom right here you will be able to read information about it. So as you can see right here, if you have this account type, the checking account type, it will tell you that the monthly service fee is $10. Minimum opening deposit is $25. And right here you have to have $500, a $500 minimum daily balance. So you can read through the different account types on Wells Fargo and see what the minimum requirements for your account are. So right here, like I said, the official Wells Fargo website, go through it, select personal savings account or checkings account and select the account type that you have, and you will be able to see the fees and how to avoid them. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.